The Betamax that lets you put it all together without glitches, without guessing, and without effort. The SLO-383 Editing Betamax. Simply put, a professional, results-proven machine with a variety of flexible uses that can change the shape of your production operation. The SLO-383, an electronic editing recorder that grows with you as your needs increase. As a recorder, the SLO-383 provides high-quality studio recording, accepting direct camera input. The SLO-383 has a rotary two-head helical scanning system. With an automatic gain control, video is maintained at the proper recording level, assuring optimum video recording. Horizontal resolution is 300 lines monochrome and 240 color. The signal-to-noise ratio is 46 dB monochrome, 45 dB color. Audio may be controlled manually using the level meters to monitor the signal. And with the audio limiter system, when switched on, audio high peaks are automatically limited to prevent tape saturation and distortion without audibly altering the dynamic range of the recording. The frequency response of the SLO-383 is 50 to 10,000 Hertz with a signal-to-noise ratio of 45 dB. The SLO-383 operates in the E-to-E mode, electronics to electronics, during stop, normal fast-forward, and rewind modes, during record assembly or cut-in functions during editing, as well as when the eject lamp is lit. The tape can also be paused momentarily in the record mode, and the E-to-E signal will remain on the screen. This feature offers convenience to the operator to monitor his source while operating the unit. The connector panel, located on the rear of the unit, has all the standard ports in addition to dub-in, dub-out, RX data terminal, and 33-pin remote control connector. On the front, there are jacks for headphones and microphone inputs for channels 1 and 2. The recorder is built for rugged industrial use, weighs 34 pounds, and has a built-in handle for easy portability. And with a Sony L500 beta cassette, the SLO-383 will record up to 60 minutes on beta 1 speed. The SLO-383 can perform coherent edits while direct recording on location or in the studio, giving you a finished, polished edit program, or in post-production of camera source material after the recording session is complete. This technique is sometimes called a flying edit, as the aesthetics depend upon the skill of the operator for precise placement of the edit. But no matter where the edit, the SLO-383 will make it crisp and without breakup or guesswork about the stability of the edit. The rotary erase heads permit erasure of video information on a field-by-field basis, thus ensuring clean inserts in the editing mode. A framing servo system ensures the correct frame orientation at the edit point, and the brushless motor direct capstan and direct drum servo system give precise editing, stable picture, and minimized jitter. A dropout compensator and noise eliminator assure faithful reproduction of the recorded picture. A wide variety of playback equipment can be used as feeders to an SLO-383, including both Betamax and U-matic units. Other convenience features include a number counter for reference if you made production notes, and the variable speed control, which allows a range of 1/25th to 2 times the normal play speed, either in reverse or forward motion. Reverse playback is also possible in normal or fast speeds. Positive action logic controls do not require that you use stop between operating commands. The SLO provides 2 types of electronic editing: assemble and insert. Basic assemble mode consists of adding one sequence after another when wholly new audio and video is being edited. In the insert mode, the entire tape should have continuous control track CTL for proper operation. Then it is possible to replace new video, audio channel 1 or 2, all independently of one another. Complete programs can then be duplicated using the SLO-383 and a feeder, and the programs can also be encoded with addressable segment information with the use of Sony's RX controller. This device is totally compatible with the SLO-383 and allows random access addressing and is ideal for the programming of interactive videotape-based programs. One SLO-383 can remarkably improve your Betamax format productions. However, if your editing tasks require more than simple assemble editing from a player feeder, you should consider the efficiency of time and expense with the SLO-383 system, 2 SLO-383s, and the optional remote editing controller, the RM440. Sony also provides a sleek, professionally styled editing console to accept the equipment. The consoles are high-grade metal, baked paint finish, and come in modular units to accommodate both your system and other peripherals you desire. In this configuration, a dub connector cable is used between the SLO-383s for the highest quality editing and duplication. The RM440 acts as the extension of each of the control panels of the SLO-383s and adds several editing functions that speed the editing process, giving the editor almost frame-accurate control. User-friendly and quick to learn, this system gives the video maker an impeccable system in half-inch format. Assemble edit can be conducted as well as more complex insert editing. The insert mode is particularly useful when adding or changing material in a completed program. This system, with its highly precise control, makes an excellent finishing station for half-inch or for offline editing of materials that will be finished in another format, perhaps 1-inch C. By using beta dubs with visible timecode, editing decisions can be made with in-house convenience, thus saving very expensive minutes in a more complex editing suite. The SLO-383 system lets you make the decisions, test them out, get approvals before committing to costly post-production. The RM440 brings several key editing features to the 383 system: 3-point editing memory, preview, auto-edit, and quick review of edits once completed by use of the jump review feature, all conducted with ease and efficiency of time and effort with complete professionalism. As you grow, your system can grow with the flexibility of the Sony product line and accessories. The Sony console concept is modular, so additional bays can be added one at a time. Caster mounting is available for in-house mobility, and a variety of tables and mountings accommodate the equipment in tasteful and compact arrangements. By adding an RM555 multi-remote control unit and the VCS 500 video and audio switcher, up to 5 sources can be fed into your system. You can also add the convenience of fingertip selection control on the editing table surface with an RM-V5 VTR selector. In any editing situation, it's possible to have materials that come from many sources and in different formats. A 3/4-inch Type 5 U-matic recorder can be rack-mounted in the furniture and used as one source. A half-inch SLO-420 Betamax can be used as a source for materials recorded at Beta 2 speed. Both can be edited to the SLO-383, a complete system covering all bases. Electronic editing, the final touch to a video production. Whether it be a simple edit as you shoot your way through a project or post-production using multiple sources, the SLO-383 produces clean imagery that communicates. Sony offers the video professional a system of options, whether for a complete origination to finish in Beta 1 format, mixed source editing, or preparation of materials for offlines. If it's a question of quality and efficiency, the answer is the SLO-383. The consoles, the peripherals, the basics. The SLO-383 from Sony.